Next game we're going to look at is this one. We cannot neglect this one. It's very, very big for EV space. Right now, with China fully backing Elon Musk, we know the competition is on already. It's a real on. And it's kind of interesting because at the back of my mind, I'm just thinking about Tesla. And then I say, okay, maybe there's certain things I miss out. And then Bank of America came out with these 4 stocks. They say, hey, you better look at these 4 stocks. I say, okay, let me compare each of these 4 stocks with my Tesla and see who has a better argument. So you always start off with, in any article, you start off with, what is the comparable? My comparable is Tesla. No need to compare one. I'm just pure Tesla fan, right? And I say, if they have anything that can beat Tesla, I'll go into it. So we start off with this before reading the article. And then we come down here. By the way, when you see this here, these are all Teslas. Holy moly. Right. So here we go. This is fresh. I'm going through together with you so that you understand the training of thoughts. China's EV are much more competitive than before. It likely remain the world's largest EV market in 2025. Okay, granted, we accept that. And because Tesla is also exporting out of Giga Shanghai. It still expects China to account for 40 to 45% of the world's EV market by 2025, despite challenges from US and Europe's Green Deal industrial plan. All right, so those are the nonsense. It's just they're trying to buy time for their own manufacturers to rise up. Although that's lower than its current level of nearly 60%, China EV products are much more competitive than before, and China will continue to see EV penetration expanding. So here we go. The very first one is BYD. A Buffett-owned stock, and Li Auto as their brand equity strengthens and export sales grow. Right? So what do we do when we see these two guys? So you can go right here. BYD, we are not like it's on Hong Kong side. We are not trading like directly because we are on the US market. So this is the BYD stock trading on Hong Kong exchange, right? And once it's trading on Hong Kong exchange, I'm really not that interested, but we just take a look and you see for yourself. The other one is ticker symbol LI, Li Auto. 1 year, hold on a minute. 1 year, 1 day. Right, so this is Li Auto. And again, we push it like this. And the peak for Li Auto is very strange. It's in the middle of 2022 right here. Okay? That means it suffered the drop like 6 months later and then hit the bottom, same with all other stocks, around like that Jan 23, 2023 period. And then straight away the recovery, which is right now here, and then we just move this box here, ting, wow, the distance to travel there even shorter, no? Right, so this is how I see things right now. And don't go into the details here, just see like this first, broad picture. How fast can it go back to equilibrium, right? Which is $40. So right now it's about $28. You say, okay, so the first test passed. Once we pass the first test, then we go straight into LI.